Ito mo yung nabili kong buto. May bone marrow.
Yeah, bone marrow.
May mga laman-laman din yun. Hindi lang buto-buto lahat.
This really turned to quite an emotional, inspiring video. Gee, I'm really surprised parents, they just went along with it. They could have just taken away their phones or punished them or something. Instead, they scared them too. Instead, they spent their entire evening
Maano mo kaya to, Chevy?
Mga ngat-ngat.
Kaya mo kaya ngat-ngatin to? Para ma-practice ka, bibigay ko sana sa'yo. Kaya baka madurog mo eh. Kawawa naman. Is the bone marrow kasi.
I know what's that.